How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday we showcase a particular park model. Today, it goes by the name of the Meadowview. What makes the Meadowview so unique is, as you can see, guys, it starts with the exterior of this home. Right here you have a hand-chinked log exterior, really complements it, and you have a nice wraparound porch. This is crazy with the amount of room that you can get out here. Guys, you can actually put an outdoor wood-burning fireplace as an option on this actual porch as well, or you can have the attachments right here like we do for an actual swing. So you can have a porch swing out here and enjoy the time that you got here as well. You do that, the actual underneath of the porch is already screened in, so you have the option to actually screen in the whole porch also. So this can kind of be another area that you can come out to and relax without having to worry about them Texas mosquitoes. And guys, you follow me right this way and you'll see how well this wraps around. Wraps around right over here. As you can see, you have an area where you actually put your grill, stores things right over here, out of the way, out of the main space of the home. Now guys, if you thought the outside was great, imagine when you walk inside here. Follow me. Starting, oh wait, don't let me open the door yet. Look at the Texas Star door, guys. You know how we do here in Texas. We got to put our stamp on it. Check that out. Now follow me inside. And guys, you come in and this is what you're greeted with. We bring the outside inside, and we do it right here. As you can see with the kitchen, right in here with the nice white cabinets with the white tile backsplash. And what's so awesome is it actually runs from the countertop all the way to the ceiling, guys. We got, who puts tile all the way to the ceiling? We do here at Recreational Resort Cottages, because we want to make it one of a kind for you. You look right here, we've got full-size appliances side by side, stainless steel. We've got a nice island right here that you can put right here in the center to kind of separate the two spaces, or you can put this on wheels and you can actually roll this out onto your porch whenever you're entertaining. And guys, you got plenty of countertop space. Don't let me block this nice white farm sink that you got right here. Plenty of room for everything you need to do, and you got a window right above, so when you're entertaining, you got people out on the porch, you can actually look at them through that window. And guys, follow me right here, and it goes right into the living area. You'll see we got enough space right here to put a full-size couch. And what's so great is, remember that hand-chinked log that we had on the exterior? What do we do? A one-of-a-kind feature. We brought it inside the home. So that's what makes it so unique, ties all this in together and makes it so great for this particular model. You look right here, we also got the built-in entertainment center, got the cabinets down below, and we also kept the tile going actually right here behind it as well. Got a nice space for you to put a flat screen TV, vertical windows on each side, so you got that also. And guys, if you follow me right here, we'll go into the master. And this one actually can fit a king-size bed. So follow me right in here, and you'll see the abundance of space that we actually have in this room. It's just awesome. You got your built-in dresser right here, another space for you to put your TV, and you have barn doors on each side, already stained to perfection. Slide that right open. You got your closet space on each side as well. And what makes it great is that you have a dual access to your bathroom. You go right through here and you have a pocket door that slides, and you can also lock this off. So when you do have guests over, you can close this, lock it. You don't have to worry about them coming into the bathroom and also coming into your master. So you follow me right in here, and you'll see we got the tiled shower. Remember that tile from the kitchen running up to the ceiling? Well, it's running from floor to ceiling right here in your master shower. You got the HD laminate countertop, nice sink, and you got your linen cabinets right here to the side. All right, and then you come right through here and you also see the other pocket door that slides right open for your convenience, where you can block that off for privacy as well. And guys, it comes right through and it leads into the loft that this home has as well. But we don't want to go up to the loft right now, because I want to show you this nice feature where we actually have drawers in each stair going up along the loft. Guys, where do you get that at? Right here at Recreational Resort Cottages, where we think about you as the client, and you got enough space right there, and it's just a cool feature overall. So follow me up to the loft and let's see what we have up there. Guys, and now that we're here in the loft space, you'll see that the fun doesn't stop downstairs. We bring it upstairs as well. You'll see we got plenty of windows surrounding the whole loft, bringing in that natural light, making it feel nice and open. You have the nice being featured right here as well with the stained wood trim. And then also you see we got the white shiplap. It continues right up here in the loft and goes throughout the whole ceiling of the home. That's a great feature to have. And you actually have TV jacks on both sides of the room. So you guys decide where you want to put the TV, put the game console, and it's a nice area for the kids to enjoy themselves. Or you have guests come over, they need an area to sleep, this is the place to do it. And also works great for storage, because guys, when the storage is out of sight, out of mind, it doesn't get any better with that. I just want to thank you so much for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday. Remember, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to come in, ask for me, ask for that deal that you can't refuse, and I promise I'll give you one. Remember to comment, like, and share our videos, and tune in next week. Thank you.